Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new Aussie Hero mini kit. It is super cute, my new favourite, and let me show you what you get in the kit. So in the kit you're getting the Aussie Hero stamp set, which has got doctors and nurses and firefighters and police officers and all their fun accessories. We are getting the Aussie Hero laser cut here, which has got some great sayings on it. And these are all of the papers. So these are really good for your cards as well. We do have a second stamp that goes with this set. I'll show you that in just a minute. So all the papers, this is the mini cut apart sheet. This is die number 5 and this is die number 7. And of course you have got the mini magazine. So this almost gives it away because the second die is the Hero Mobile. So we've got the cute little police car and the fire truck. And of course you get the feisty cutting die to go with that. Also, we have the feisty cutting die for the Aussie Heroes as well. Let me just quickly show you some of the cards. So this is the little police car with the police officer in it. Super cute. Get well soon. And this is with one of our border dies. And these are Ashley's card. She's done a great job. And this is the gorgeous little fire truck. How cute is that? So cute. This one here, another little fire truck with the thank you on it. Thanks for taking care of me, my hero. I cannot wait for some of our Aussie Heroes to receive these cards, as well as all the little boys and girls that love this stuff as well. If you've got a police officer in your family, how cool would it be to give them one of these cards, or a firefighter or a nurse or a doctor? They are fabulous. And in the magazine, here's a few more. There's lots of blog posts on this as well because the DT have done so many because of course they I love this set as much as me. So this little guy can hold the hose. How cute is he? So can this guy actually. He can drive the car or hold the hose. Another get well one. Aren't they fabulous? And those backgrounds the girls have done, they're so good. They've created a lot. Oh, I haven't shown you that. Sorry, I need to show you that. That is the new scene builder die. So this is the new city scene stencil, I should say, not die. I'm having a bad morning explaining this, aren't I? So I'm having to film this before I head off on leave. So there you go. So that is Aussie Heroes. It is on sale today. It's on sale on the 20th of April. You can order these today, and I hope you love it as much as we do. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.